Hey, you know what I love? Pasta and making pasta. Hi, I'm Tullio and I make the rain for Wargames at Ableton. And pasta, of course. Today I wanna show you how to make your own beats with Sculpey in a 4 easy way. Super Sculpey is a polymer clay and I use the firm, which is very hard to manipulate. In this case, I wanna use a pasta maker. Pasta, tagliatelle, tortellini, But unfortunately today we're not gonna make food. I'm trying to roll out the Sculpey with my machine. If you don't have one, you can use a rolling pin. I'm Italian, and we have one of these in every house. Maybe. The first type of beats will be classic wooden doors. I'm shaping the Sculpey and cut two simple rectangles. Now, with the sculpting tool, I'm gonna give the doors the wood textures. You can make different kind of shapes with vertical or horizontal planks. The second type will be a double wooden door. The method is equal to the first one, but you have to do two sizes of the same door. As you can see, you can give any kind of shape at your doors. In fact, I don't like this one. Repeat the same wood texture on this door, or make it different. You decide. I will also add some details at this door, like a door lock and some iron support. Time to make the third type, wooden tables. I will use the leftover Sculpey to make two simple tables and their legs. Simple, fun and easy. Everyone can do it. The method is the same that I used for the doors. You can also make it as you want. Now the fourth type. I will use a little piece of Sculpey to make some miniature bases. I will use some rolling pins from Green Stuff World, but you can make it with a pencil or a knife. Once they shaped, I will cut the bases with a bottle cap that is approximately 32 millimeters. Approximately, I don't know. Once we have baked our bits, I will glue the legs on the tables. Okay, hope you liked this video. Subscribe the channel, follow me on Instagram and support me on Patreon. And remember, you can do all kinds of bits with Sculpey. Just do it! There are all the links in the description below. Now let's see the final result. Ciao ciao!